Mix exercise 13, question number 1. A 2x minus 5, so we have to integrate this one, equal x times 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 dx. So this is going to be 2x square minus 5 plus 2x minus 3x minus 5 dx. So this is going to be 2x cubed over 3 minus 3x square over 2 minus 5 plus c. This is x 1/3. It is going to be 4 over 3 over 4 over 3, and x minus 1/3 plus half 2 over 3 over 2 over 3 plus c. So this is 3x4 over 3 over 4 plus 3 over 2 x2 over 3 plus c. 1 over 3 plus 1, 4 over 3 minus 1 over 3 plus 1, 2 over 3. Question number 2. The gradient function is given. Now we want to find the function. So function fx means we need to integrate the gradient function f dash x. So we'll integrate this one, x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 2. We'll integrate in terms of dx. This is x cubed over 3 minus 3x square over 2 minus 2x minus 1 over minus 1 plus c. X cubed over 3, 3x square over 2. This is plus 2 over x plus c. Now we want to find c. If you want, you can take this is y. Now there are another data. The curve passes through 1 1. Since curve passes through 1 1, then it should satisfy this one equation. So y here y value or fx value is 1 and x value is 1 cube over 3 minus 3, again x value is 1 square over 2 plus 2, 1 value is 1 plus c. So this is 1 equal 1/3 minus 3 over 2 plus 2 plus c. So 1 equal 1/3. This is 3 point divided by 2 mean 1.5. So this value is going to be plus 0.5 plus c or plus half. So when it's come to here, 1 minus half equal 1/3 plus c. So this is half equal 1/3 plus c. So c equal half minus 1/3. It means 1 over 6. Now the curve is y or fx equal x cubed over 3 minus 3x square over 2 plus 2x over 1 over 6. Oh, you can write this information like this as well. When x equal 1, this is f1. So 1 cube over 3, 3 over 2 plus 2 over 1 plus c. Then f1 value also, this is 1 f1. Now you found out f1. f1 is 1. f1 also 1. Hence 1/3 minus 3 2 plus 2 plus c equal 1. So you can write like that as well. It's up to you. Question number 3. This is the sum. So 8x cubed mean 8x 4 over 4, 6x cubed over 3 plus 5x plus c. So 8 divided by 4, 2x 4, 6 divided by 3, 2x cubed, 5x plus c. So this is going to be 5x. This is 1 plus half. 3 over 1.5 mean t over 2. So this is 2x half. This is dx. So this is 5. This is x. 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. 2x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c. So this is 5 to 5 cancel out. 2x 5 over 2 and 4 over 3 x 3 over 2 plus 3. Y equal x plus 1, 2x minus 3 and x minus half. So we want to integrate this one. First of all, we'll expand 2x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 times x minus half. So this is 2x square minus x minus 3 x minus half. So this is going to be 2x 2 minus half 3 1.5. From 2 when you take half out, 2 plus minus half. So this is going to be x square times x minus half, which is x2 plus minus half 1.5. It means 3 over 2. And this is going to be 1 minus half. It may remain 0.5. It may remain half. Minus 6x minus half. Now this is, we want to find y dx. Integrate 2x 3 over 2 minus x half minus 3x minus half dx. Then this is 2x 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 3x half over half plus c. So this is 4 over 5x 5 over 2 2 over 3x 3 over 2 and this is 6x half plus c. Question number 5. Dx over dt t plus 1 square. We need to find x. We work so far x and y. This is x and this is y. So that is dy over dx. But now this one is x and t and x. Now this is dx over dt, still the same. And there is a data given when x equals 0, t equal 2. T equal 2. So it means this coordinate is xy. What is this coordinate? Tx. Then t equal 2, x equal 0. This is 2, 0 coordinate is given. And yeah, we'll work out this one. So we need x. If we have dy over dx equal, let's say, gx or another function, how do we find y? So we are integrating to get x, um, dx to get x, sorry, y. Same thing we need to do. To get x, we need to integrate t plus 1 square. Uh, Here this is x. Now here the denominator is dt. What is really happening here? So dx over dt equal t plus 1 square. We put integration sign to here, then we have to put here, then we have to put dt here, then this is dt. So this expression become x, and this is t plus 1 square dt. So that's the one I wrote. I didn't wrote this step. Now x equal t square plus 2t plus 1 dt. Now this is t cube over 3, 2t square over 2, and this is t x plus c. Now we need to find a c. Okay, I'll simplify one more step. X equal t cube over 3 plus, this is cancel out, t square plus t plus c. Now they have given a coordinate 2, 0. This curve is going through 2, 0. Or when t equal to x equal 0, we'll substitute now. So when you put t equal to, this x value has to be 0. So 0 equal t, and next 2 cube over 3 plus 2 square plus 2 plus c. 0 equal 8 over 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. 8 over 3, 6 plus c, 0. C equal minus 8 minus 18 over 3, which is minus 26 over 3. Now we have the curve x equal t cube over 3 plus t square plus t minus 26 over 3. Now there's another question. When we need to find x when t equal 3. So we'll substitute here. X equal uh, 3 cube over 3 plus 3 square plus 3 minus 26 over 3. So you will get this is 9 plus 9 plus 3 minus 26 over 3. 21 minus 26 over 3. So this is 363 minus 26 over 3. So that is 37 over 3. So 12 1 over third. Question number 6. Y half y square root y equal this one. Then we want to find y. So we can get rid of the square root by squaring it. So y half square, this is cancel out. X 1/3 plus 3 square, both side is square. So this is become 2 to 2 cancel out y. This is x 1/3 square plus 2 times 3 times x 1/3 plus 3, this is square, 3 square. So this is equal x 2 over 3 plus 2 times 3, 6, x 1/3 plus 9. So Then y equal x 2 third, ax 1 third plus b. Now a equals 6 and b equal 9. Now I want to integrate this one. Y dx, y mean x 2 over third plus 6x 1 third plus 9 dx. This is going to be x 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 plus x 6 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3 plus 9x. So 2x5 over 2 over 5 plus this is going to be 3 times 6, 18 over 4, which is 9 over 2. 9 over 2 x 4 over 3 plus 9x. I think this is 3, then this has to be 3. This is 3 and this one is 3. And plus c is missing. When you integrate, we have to put plus c. Question number 8. When you look at this is the equation we want to solve. We have to find a and c. Okay, we'll work on this one. Integrate, this is a over 3x minus 3 minus ab dx equal minus 2 over 3x minus 2 plus 14x plus c. Now we'll integrate this one. A over 3 x minus 2 over minus 2 minus abx equal minus 2 over x minus 2 plus 14x plus c. So this is a minus a over 6. 2 times 3 6. That is minus x minus 2 minus abx equal minus 2 over 3x minus 2 14x plus c. Now we can see that there are no constant, hence c equals 0. We'll consider the coefficient of x minus 2. Then this is minus a over 6 and this is minus 2 over 3. Now this is mean a equal 2 times 6 over 3. Minus to minus cancel out. This is going to be 2, a equal 4. Now we'll consider the coefficient of x terms. Then here you can see that minus ab and here 14. So minus ab equal 14, ab equal minus 14, but a equal 4, 4b equal minus 14, b equal minus 14 over 4, minus 7 over 2, which is minus 3.5. I just solve this equation, then I make the coefficient of equating the coefficients of x minus 2x, and this is going to be constant. This constant value is 0 here, and this is constant is c here, then c has to be 0. Question number 9. There's a rock, there's a cliff, and a rock fallen from here. So this height is given by ft. F0 is 70. So it means ft When t equal 0, f0 is 70. It means the height is measured from ground to above. So it means you are here. So ft, this is the height. So this is the uh, ft is measuring from the ground. When t equals 0, the rock is here. It means the rock height is 70. No, clip height is 70. Now, we don't know ft function, but they have given a f dash t relationship. F dash t is minus 9.8 t. Now we want to find the function ft. We know that ft we can get when we integrate f dash t dt. It means we have to integrate minus 9.8 t dt. So this is going to be 9.8 t square over 2 plus c. So this is the function. Now they have given a data when t equals 0, t equals 0, f0 is 70. Basically this is as a graph, this is t and this is ft. So the coordinate is t, x independent axis, dependent axis. So when t equals 0, this is f0. f0 is 70. So this is 0, 70 basically. So then when t equals 0, f0 is 70. So I will apply f0 equal, when t equals 0, this value 9.8 over 2 0 square plus c. What is f0? f0 is 70. I'll put here. Then c value we can find, this is 0. 0 plus c is 70. c equals 70. Hence function is ft equal 9.8 d square over 2 plus 70. Now we want to find the t value after 3 seconds. What will happen? So go, this one is falling, this the height is reducing, decreasing. So if t equal minus 9.8 t square over 2 plus 70, when t equal 3, f3 is minus 9.82 3 square plus 70. 9.8 times 9 over 2 plus 70. So you'll get the answer as 25.9. So after 3 seconds, this height is 25.9 meters. What type of graph is this one? This is a quadratic graph. If we want to put the normal form, this is y equal 9.8 divided by 2 mean 4.9 minus 4.9 t square plus 70. So this is a quadratic graph and this a value is negative, it has a maximum. So basically this kind of graph, and this is t and this is ft, and there is no negative side because there is time can't be negative. So this is 0 and this is height. So after 3 seconds, so you can get this one. This is 25.9. Likewise after 4 seconds you can find. So when it is 0, this value is 70. So 0, 70. Question number 10. It is a cyclist. So assume cyclists traveling along a straight road and starting from a point, fixed point, and we count from here after t. So the distance is given by ft. After t seconds, the distance is given by ft. One more data is there. If at t equals 0, f equals 0. F0 is 0. It means when t equals 0, uh, at the starting point, when t equals 0, distance has to be what? 0. It means this person, this cyclist is here at the starting point. It is. So basically this graph is t and ft again. So x-axis is t, ft. This is the coordinate. So 0 and f0 also 0 start. Now we want to find the expression for ft, the distance ft. But we don't know ft. But we have f dash t is given. F dash t, the gradient function. 5 plus 2t. Then when you integrate, we can get the function. So this is going to be 5 plus 2t dt. So this is 5t plus 2t square over 2. So ft plus c. So 2 to 2 cancel out. 5t plus t square plus c equal ft. Now I need to find c. That's why the data is given when t equals 0. F0 is 0. Now we'll find F0 first. We'll substitute here when t equals 0, F0 value. That is 5 times 0 plus 0 square plus c, which is c. Now F0 is given. This is given. Is equal to 0. But F0 is 0. Given. Hence, this one equal this one. It means c equal 0. Hence, the equation is ft equal 5t plus t square. Now, the next question is calculate the travel to 100 meters time. Now, assume at 100 meters t equal t1. Then ft1 equal 5t plus t1 square. Now what is the 5t1 value? But 5t1, right, is 100. After at t1 second, the cyclist is 100 meters away. So then we ft1 equal this one and ft1 equal 100. It means 100 equal 5t1 plus t1 square. So I will write this one t1 square plus 5t1 plus 100 equals 0. So then we have to solve this equation. 100 when on this side it has to be minus. Now we have to use the quadratic formula because that's difficult to factorize. So t equal minus b is 5 plus or minus b is square, 5 is square minus 4 times a mean 1 times c is minus 100 over 2 times 2a is 1. So you will get two answers, t equals 7.8 or t equal minus 12.8. As t greater than 0, t equal 7.8 seconds. In here, I introduced t equal t1 because at 100 meter it is a specialty. So this t is a general t for any point. So that's why at t1 I consider this point is t1. But sometime you in general you can take as simply instead of that 5t plus t square equal 100 without writing this t1, but t1 is more sensible. Assume that if we need to find another 200 meters, the time the cyclist taken to go 200 meters, then this t has to be another t. So at 200 meters, t equal not t1. So t equal t2. Then ft2 equal 200. Question number 11. This is the normal sum. So we want to find the equation of this on y equal to this E point, B point, intersection point. We need to find the intersection point. So y equal to and y equal 5 plus 2x minus x square. Now we have to solve those two. So 2 equal 5 plus 2x minus x square, then x square minus 2x minus 3 equal 0. So this is going to be x minus 3, x plus 1 equals 0, x equal 3, or x equal minus 1. So y value is 2 here, y value is 2, this is minus 1, and this is 3. Now I'll take this is y1 curve and this is curve. Now I want to find this area. So this is minus 1 and this is 3. And this is the top curve. So this is whole area minus this area. So top curve minus 1 to this r is minus 1 to 3. What is the top curve? y1. y1 dx. Then so it means we will get this area. From this point to this point. Like this, we will get this whole area. Then again minus 1 to 3 y2 dx. Then we will get this area. And when we minus whole area from this area, we will get r. Now what is y1? y1 equal 5 plus 2x minus x square. And y2 equal, okay, we'll write our short form, minus 1 to 3, y1 minus y2 dx. So r equal minus 1 to 3, y1 mean 5 plus 2x minus x square minus y2 mean 2, then dx. So minus 1 to 3, this is going to be 5 minus 2, 3, plus 2x minus x square dx. Then 3x plus 2x squared divided by 2, x cubed divided by 3, minus 1 to 3. So this is 3 times 3 plus 2, 3 square over 2, minus 3 cube over 3, minus, this is 3 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 square over 2 minus 1 cube over 3. So this is going to be 9 plus 2 to 2 cancel out 9. This is again 3, then minus, this is 3 minus 3 become plus 3. This is 2 to 2 cancel out. 1 plus 1 become minus 1. Then this is become minus plus minus 1 third. Let's see, this cancel out. 17 minus 1 over third. Minus 3, 50 over 3. Let's see whether it's right. I'm going to check the calculation. So this is 3 cube and this is going to be minus 9 as well. Yes, so then this is also cancel out. So 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 1, 11 minus 1 over 3. 33 minus over 3, 32 over 3. So 10, 2 over 3. 12 question number 12a. So this is going to be x half a times x minus half minus 1 and minus 4 times x minus half minus 1 dx. So this is going to be x half a times x minus half minus x half minus 4 times x minus half plus 4 dx. So this is going to be x half a times minus half. When you add, cancel out, x0 is 1. X half, this is 4x minus half plus 4 dx. So this is going to be 4 plus 1, 5 minus x half minus 4x minus half dx. In here I write for first of all x half. I'm expanding this one. This is a normal GCSE method. So minus 4 times again this one. Then I simply expand this one. Yeah. Now I want to evaluate this, integrate this one. So this is going to be 5x. This is minus x 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus 4x half divided by half. Yeah, that's all. Plus c 2 over 3x 3 over 2 minus, this is 8x half plus c. X minus plus 1, right, half. X half plus c. So this is the, now we want to integrate this one, then we don't need c. Minus 1 to 4 x half minus 4 minus okay, I will write like this. I will erase. So this is 1 to 4 and we integrate this one. 5x minus 2 over 3 x3 over 2 minus 8 x half. Now we don't need c because this is going to be a definite integral. So 4, now 5 times 4 minus 2 over 3, 4, 3 over 2 minus 8, 4 half minus 5, 1 times 2 over 3, 1, 3 over 2 minus 8, 1 half. So this is going to be 5 times 4, 20, 2 over 3, square root 4, 2 to the 8 minus this is 16, square root of 4, 2, 2 times 8, 16, this is 5 minus 2 over 3 minus 8. So 20, this is 16 over 3 minus 16 minus 5 plus 2 over 3 plus 8. So this is 20 plus 8, 28. 28 take 16. 28 take 10, 14. 14 take away 6, 7 minus 16 over 3 minus plus 2 over 3. So this is going to be 7 minus 14 over 3. So 21 minus 14 over 3, 7 over 3, which is 2, 1 over third. Question number 13a. So we have to arrange this equation x cube plus minus 6x square plus 9x. When I look at, I can see that x is a common factor, and also in the x times x minus 3 square, it means there is a x is out. So then I will see the possibility, yes, I can take the x out. So x square minus 6x plus 9. Then x and x match, then this has to be matched to this one. I don't need to look at even, I know now this has to be x minus 3 square. Now this is y. Now part B, find uh, coordinate of A. At A, y is 0 because this is 0 when it's touch the x-axis. So then y equals 0, hence x times x minus 3 square equals 0, hence x equals 0 or x equals 3, and this is going to be a repeated root. So this is 3 and this is 0. And we want to find the local maximum, so we have to differentiate. So y equal x cube 6 square plus 9x at stationary point dy over dx equal to 0. So we want to find dy over dx. dy over dx is 3x square, not integration, differentiation now, 6x 9. And then I want to make equal to 0. So actually we have to write this way, better way. We'll find dy by dx first. Then we are writing at stationary point dy over dx equals 0. Hence 3x square minus 6x plus 9 equal 0. Divide by 3 I can see. So this is going to be x square minus 2x plus 3 equal 0. So this is going to be, this is, differentiation is wrong. 3x square minus 6, 2 times 6, 12. So then this is going to be 12. Then this is going to be 4. Then the x minus 3, x minus 1 equals 0. I can break like this. So x equal 3 or x equal 1. So x equal 3 we can see local minimum, and max is then the other one. X equal 3 is the minimum and x equal 1 is max. Now we want to find the coordinate of b. We found out 1, and we want to find y. Now we have to substitute somewhere. If I substitute here 1 times 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2 square 4, so that is going to be 1 4. So we have to write uh, when x equal 1, y equal x times x minus 3 square 1 times 1 minus 3 square, which is 4. So this is 1 4. Now we need to find this r. We can find this r. We can simply integrate this curve minus this curve. So this curve is y1 and this line is y2. But y2 mean what? y2 equals 0. That's why. So okay, I will write r equal 0 to 3 y1 dx minus 0 to t y2 dx. So this is 0 to 3 y1 minus y2 dx. y1 is this one, 6 x cube 6x square plus 9x, and y2 is what? This line is what? Y equals 0 line. So that's why I took y2. X-axis mean what? Y equals 0 line. So that's why we usually don't write that one. So we have to integrate 0 to 3, this one, dx. So this is going to be x4 over 4 minus 6x cube over 3, 9x square over 2, 0 to 3. Then this is going to be 3 4 over 4, 6 3 square over 3 plus 9 3 square over 2 minus other side is 0. So your answer should be 6 3 over 4. dy over dx is question number 14. So this is not integration, differentiation. Part A. 3x minus half minus 4x minus 3 over 2. So half a minus 1 is minus half. Minus half minus 1 minus 3 over 2. Part B, now we have to integrate this one. Y dx 3x half minus 4x minus half dx. Here we reduce, now we have to add 3x3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus x minus plus 1 half over half plus c. 3 to 3 cancel out, 2x3, 2, this is going to be 8x half plus c. Now we want to evaluate in c, 1 to 3, 2x3 over 2 minus 8x half. Now we don't need plus c as this is definite integral. So 2, 3, 3 over 2 minus 8, 3 half minus 2, 1, 3 over 2 minus 8, 1 half. So this is going to be 2 times 3 times 3 over 2. Or we can write 3. 3 over 2 means 3 over half, which is 27 square root. Not 27. This is 9 times 3. So